welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Goodness. So I have been waiting to tell you guys these new skincare products that I have been using, and I've seen a dramatic change on my face that I was like, I gotta put y'all on. And this is definitely Korean skincare. I never thought I was gonna be one of the girlies that talked about Korean skincare, but we gonna get right into it. Scratch out all the stuff that I showed y'all last time, my skincare me. It did work. It definitely did work. But now I feel like my face has just got so buttery, smooth, all of that. We're gonna wash my face right now with all the products I'm gonna put y'all on. And every single product I don't believe I mentioned before in the past. These are all new products. Let's get right into it. I already know I gotta get into these. You know, we're wearing pink. Okay, first things first is this cleanser. I believe is Anua, whatever. It's a pores deep cleansing foam. A little bit goes a long way. I'm telling you, a little bit goes a long way. Let's wash my face with that. I love a foamy cleanser. It smells so good. It smells like a leaf. It smells like a leaf. Trying to wash up my face. One thing I love about this cleanser is it doesn't strip away my skin. Like it doesn't strip away my skin. It still feels very, very smooth and like a baby's butt, literally. So the next thing, I feel like y'all already seen this next product, and I already know I wasn't gonna hop on it, but I was like, let me just try and see. And everything they talked about this product has been spot on. Like every good thing. I've heard like bad things, but every good thing they talked about this product has been spot on. Yeah, the Snell Mucin. Like, I never thought I'll hop on this product, but it has changed my skincare routine to a different level. And it's so smooth. Y'all see? It's like, ooh. The thing about the serum is that it's not sticky after. After it has marinated deep inside the pores, it just dries up. And I love it. And I usually, you know, skincare tip is always spanning each product so it could just like dry up a little faster and you can move on faster. I don't know if that's theologically correct, but I just know that it helps me and it works for me. So my skin still feels really soft, like feels like it's still washed and nicely cleansed. So we're done with the serum. Then next we're gonna go, oh, I'm gonna say this. So I do use the Snell Mucin, but sometimes if I just want to switch it up, I also use this vitamin C serum. So I've sometimes mixed the two, or I either use either or, but for this video I'm going to mix the two because they basically are two different things. So this one, it keeping the skin smooth and healthy, but this green tangerine, this thing is so good. I actually just got a new one, and it's a vitamin C dark spot corrector. So this one just tackles your dark spot. So I put this after my Snell Mucin. When I put in my moisturizer, it locks in. So let's put this on. Ooh, it's not trying to come out. Okay. is what it looks like. I love the bottle. I love the presentation. On point. And a little bit goes a long way. To let it just dry up. But do you guys see like the glow on my face a little bit? Yeah. I do have like a different routine for nighttime vibes. So it does make this sticky a little bit. I will say that and be very honest on camera that after putting in a serum, the vitamin C serum on top of the snail mucin does make it sticky. But if you use just the snail mucin, it's not sticky. But if you mix both of them, they are sticky. And if you use this one by itself, then this one is sticky. So this is just a kind of sticky product. So my next one, my moisturizer. So y'all know I used to use Kiehl's. There's nothing wrong with Kiehl's, but I think my face got tired of Kiehl's because things weren't really like working anymore. Like I couldn't really see my face kind of like, I couldn't really see my face get better, you get. So this moisturizer I'm about to show you has really been a game changer for me, and I just love, I love using the same products, the same brand of products in a lot of my skincare. So this is the Snail Mucin moisturizer, and like I was saying earlier, like I really love using the same brand and things. But so I got the serum and I got the moisturizer, and I love this moisturizer. I love Kiehl's moisturizer too, but I really love this moisturizer as well. So, and a little bit goes a long way. What I do is I usually just tap, and that's enough for my whole entire face. So let's put this on my face. Like, that's it. I have another routine that go a little more in depth with my skincare. Like I use a gua sha set, I do a face steamer, I'll do so many other things. I might show you guys a very detailed skincare routine, but because today is kind of like my lazy day, I really want to show you guys the new products that I've been using and I love nonstop. This next product has really been the game changer of my skincare, and that has been always adding a really good sunscreen. So I want to make a disclaimer that I did get this brand PR. It was a PR sent to me from Kiehl's, and I was already using Supergoop, but I just feel like this is the best skincare. Like, this is the best sunscreen. I'm not just saying that because of PR, y'all, but I'm going to go buy another product. Like, I'm going to buy another one after this bottle is done, because this sunscreen even adds a lot of more radiance to your face. It's so hydrogenating, and I just love it. So I know a lot of people like to say, oh, you know, you shouldn't use sunscreen while you're in the house. Today is a bit of a gloomy day, but I just want to put sunscreen just because I'm just used to it. But you need to use sunscreen in the house, because the sun still be peeking through the windows in your room, in the living room, in the kitchen. So protect yourself at all times. Please use sunscreen. It's just so smooth. Like, it is so, I mean, the Supergoop one is good too. If you can both work perfectly fine. Moisturizer goes the same way. If you don't want to get the Snail Mucin, you can also do the Kiehl's moisturizer that I showed you guys before. So those two really work really good. Right now I just changed my products because I feel like when it comes to skincare, if you keep using the same products all the time, your face get used to it. These days I'll probably do a really in-depth skincare routine when I use all the stuff, that all the gadgets and all of that. That might be like my nice, I might do like a nice Sunday reset vlog where I just pamper myself. I think I might do a a weekly Sunday reset because I just love my Sundays. Like, I don't like to get bothered on my Sundays. My Sundays is really the time that I just like really chill and not do too much. So these products has literally been the game changer of my face, because y'all see my skin. I would have put some Vaseline on, but I can't find the Vaseline right now. But y'all, like my skin is popping. These are my new goodies that I've been using for my face. I love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh my gosh, my skin is really popping. Like, you can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me that my skin ain't popping. Like what? What? I can't tell. I don't know what they're trying to do, but my skin's still popping though. And I'm gonna get my hair done. Alright, y'all, I gotta go. Bye.